Hey traders, I did a couple of videos this week about some technical analysis, and I'm going to like dissection after the fact. I'm going to do another one for Tesla. Yesterday's, I believe, was Apple. I may have done another one somewhere in between. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Been a busy day, been a long day. So everything I'm saying here I can back up, either by charts or the fact that I had 250, 260 people today in the room watching this stuff. Okay, so Tesla notes. I had a screenshot earlier from, if you're part of my group, you already get the Sunday video free webinar, which is 2.5 hours long, I think, this last Sunday, 140 tickers, one of which was this one. And we set an alert at some place to get us to 1020, and look what it did today. It came to 1,000. Besides the point, we're going to look back and dissect the decisions we made and the notes we made and how the actual price action happened. So it's not tooting our own horn, although we enjoy that. It's just to see if there's something to be fixed with our logic. So I'm going to go back to somewhere around here. We had freakouts. This is January. This is a 1 hour chart. So every candle you see here is about 1 hour long. And then we had for reference, that was the 224 crash. That was when we first found out about the invasion in the Ukraine. That was like the official war. Before that, we had the market had bottomed on January 24th, a month exactly. Just I'm putting reference points as to what are we looking at. And then this was the crash. And these are lines and comments that I've had going on from before, and I moved them forward. So after the rally back from the flash crash, the rally back was fantastic. Remember that day we closed green, very green, for a couple of days. And then we came back and tested this. I think it was Fed jitters, whatever the heck it was. That was like 3.8 to 3.11. We bottomed again, and then Tesla did this. Today, Tuesday, the 22nd March, Tesla had an incredibly good day, up 7 or 8%, but it was a violent breakout. And we had the line for the breakout set. Okay, so this was somewhere here. I drew this box. I said, this is our playground. This is where Tesla wants to be. And then the breach of those edges could carry forward momentum in that direction, whichever happened. And I also drew this line. I said, I would expect them, if they want to break out, they have prior fails. So there's going to be resistances. I drew a line up there. So far, so good. The bears were in control. This may have changed today. I may have to delete that arrow tomorrow. I said, ideally, this is what you want to see. You want to see them fail, so they can come back, gather footing, and then burst. So that's exactly what they did, except they went a little further than I wanted them to. I thought they would stop here somewhere inside this box. They faked out the bears. Look at these candles. For 5 or 6 hours, almost 3/4 of the day here, they fought over it, but they placed a convincing floor. I said long if it goes to here. It never went to here. So look at these candles. So you can put a note in your head, 760, 750 is a place to get long if it gets there again soon. So they took that out. They stuttered here a little bit, inverse head and shoulders, which we covered live. And then it unfolded to my target almost exactly today. My screenshot was, actually I'll show you. So here's my screenshot from the video, which I made public, so you can go watch it and verify everything I've been saying. At the time, Tesla was about 900 and change, 905 maybe. I was setting an alert in TradingView, create an alert about this price. I said, tell me if it goes above there for 947. If you can't see it, that number is 947. And I said, it's a 1 hour trigger. That means I'm using the 1 hour chart to see the trigger. The target is 420, 420. Freudian slip. Remember 420? Oh my gosh. 1020. That was the beginning of the beginning for Tesla. So 1020. And then I added another word, which you can't see here because I stopped the screenshot early, with resistance at, and I named a number. I think it was 850 or whatever it was. No. Anyway, I noted the resistance line. So that's the screenshot. So whoever was in the room with me was ready to pounce at 946 or 947 and chase it. So today, that's where they break out from. And this was the path. And look at where they went. That doesn't mean I shorted here. It just means that we were ready to pounce. Whoever watched the video, they were ready to pounce at different levels, and they had all the ammo. So it behooves us to do homework like this. 140 tickers dissected on Sunday. It took me 2.5 hours live with the people and about 2 hours to do it all by myself, because I prep it with a sheet and I share a giant Google Sheets sheet that's referenceable. Referenceable, is that even a word? And you can click it and it launches the TradingView link. You don't have to have TradingView. It launches a picture of the link. So homework well worth the effort for active traders, even non-active traders. So if I had that information, what do I do with this? I knew there was support. I shared my support line. On dips, I would sell a put spread. I knew this would be the target. They didn't even take the whole target. They bounced. I would sell a put spread. If you don't know what that is, it's a strategy with options, a bull put spread, credit put spread, same thing. Which means I'm betting that the price is not going to go below. So here it's the easy logic. This was a flash crash on war. What else is going to happen that's worse than war now? Nothing. So that was very few things, of course, hopefully. So likely support will hold. If the shakeout held so well, they never closed anywhere here, not within an hour. They went down and hold, whoa, no, let's go. Okay, so we can dissect this a little bit further if you want. But the point is, I was confident the floor would hold, so I would have sold a put spread. I wouldn't even need a rally to win. So that would be the kind of trades I would do off of this. So 15 minutes to go see if you can get some information on that. So you can see there was only one 15-minute, and it never closed within that in the low. So not even on the 15. So this only lasted few minutes. That's it. All right. So the point of this video, let's recap. Do your homework off hours or when things are calm, and then set your alerts, and then act on them, and then set your stops immediately. If you don't have that system going on, you're just winging it, and your opponent, people like us who are doing homework and have lines and have strategies and have tools, you're at a disadvantage on purpose. So I understand if you don't like technical analysis. Most of my team does, but you know you're putting yourself at a disadvantage. So either get help from a group that can help you with that, or learn it yourself. It's not that difficult. It's time consuming. So I understand if somebody has a job, but it's easy to avoid the easy mistakes, the easy layups, so to speak. Like if you bought Tesla today at the close, you're leaving yourself open to a potential letdown. I'm not saying it's going down. I'm saying the easy work is over, and now you opted into the slog from here. This was my target. So if I was long Tesla, this is where I would have sold you my calls. Here, you want to take them from here. So that's the kind of deal where you want to be the person selling your calls now, not buying them. Like I got in my live room today, towards the end of the day, where do you think Tesla is going tomorrow? I have no idea. That's not my forte. I don't guess right. I know the lines that will trigger certain moves. So tomorrow I can tell you where Tesla is going after the open with the lines I know. But I can't tell you overnight what's going to happen. We could wake up to Tesla having a recall to a bazillion cars. I don't know. So that's not, I take away my advantage by guessing the next day. Homework pays off. So don't avoid it. And if you don't believe in technical analysis, I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, can you draw this? I mean, look how it unfolded. Okay, so I wasn't so perfect with the dip. It went further than I wanted to. But come on, it is totally tradable. However you trade it, it was a massive win for anybody that just did a little bit of homework and some good timing and avoided the FOMO. Signing out.